The final washing procedure is conducted on the 10th day following the hair transplant. The final hair wash on the 10th day removes softened scabs, keeping the transplant area clean and safe for new hair to grow up. Foam will be applied to the transplantation area and it will be left to sit for approximately 1 hour. After the waiting period, our scalps will genuinely soften and become ready to shed. We should relather the transplant area with our shampoo to ensure the scabs have softened. Gently dab the area with a gauze pad to ensure all scabs have fallen off. Firmly press and rub both the transplanted and donor areas to ensure no scabs remain. If any scabs remain, you can repeat the washing process the next day. The drying process can be done using a towel. You can resume normal washing and your daily routine now.